If you're a lover of Egusi soup, then you definitely need to try this out. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's recipe, we are making Beniseed soup, also known as sesame seed soup. This is one of the most delicious Nigerian soup, very similar to Egusi soup but has its own distinct taste. Now let me show you how to make it. First, you will need the sesame seed. This is the main ingredients for the soup. Next, we have some goat meat, cow tripe, cow skin, stockfish head, some scotch bonnet peppers, tiny chopped onion, palm oil, and some seasoning. This includes salt, Knorr seasoning cubes, and Ogili okpei. And finally, some pumpkin leaf, which are washed and sliced really tinely. To start, in a pot, I'll add the goat meat, cow tripe, cow skin, and the chopped onion, the blended scotch bonnet peppers, sprinkle some salt to taste, give this a very good mix. I'll add the Knorr seasoning, cover and let this steam for 15 minutes. Next, I'll soak the stockfish head in hot water. This is to enable it soften up and make it easier to wash. It also helps to bring out all the tiny insects in it. After that, I'll go ahead and toast the Beniseed. This gives the soup a very distinct taste and aroma. We are going to toast this until it turns light brown in color, and this usually takes about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, turn off the heat and then allow it to cool off. Next, I'll pour the toasted sesame seed in a blender and blend into a smooth paste. This is what it looks like after blending. It looks so much like egusi. So I'll set this aside. The next step is to mix the blended sesame seed with some blended onion. This is the real deal, guys. It actually gives the soup a very unique texture and I really love it. So pour some chopped onion into a blender, blend it into a smooth paste, and then add the blended sesame seed. After that, I'll add some of the meat stock into the mixture. You can also use ordinary water to do this, but make sure it is hot water. That is why I prefer to use the meat stock. I'll mix this together until it starts to bring out oil, which shows that it is ready. Once I'm satisfied with the texture, I'll set that aside. Guys, can you see that? This is exactly what we need, so I'll scoop it out and set it aside. Now back to the stockfish head we soaked earlier on. I'll wash this thoroughly and carefully bring out all the little insects in it. Break it into a smaller chunks, rinse a multiple time and then set that aside. After about 15 minutes of steaming our proteins, I'll go in with extra cups of water, enough to make the soup. Then add the stockfish head, the ogili that I dissolved in water. Mix this well to incorporate. I also added extra blended peppers. Cover and bring to a boil. After a few minutes, I went in with some ground crayfish. Mix this together, taste and adjust seasoning too. I added extra Knorr seasoning and then some palm oil. Give this a really good mix. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Five minutes later, it's time to add our main ingredients, which is the Beniseed. So I'll scoop it in bits and add to the boiling soup. If you watch carefully, you see that I'm breaking it into a smaller chunks before adding. This prevents it from forming a very big lumps in the soup. So I'll add it, mix very well to incorporate, cover and let this cook for extra 10 minutes. While the soup is cooking, I'll go ahead and slice the pumpkin leaf. This is already picked and neatly washed, so I'll slice this really tinely. All set and done, I'll set that aside. The soup has been cooking for about 10 minutes now and it's fully cooked. So it's time to add the vegetables. So I'll sprinkle the sliced pumpkin leaf into the soup. The quantity of vegetable you add depends on your preference. As for me, I love vegetables in my soup, so I'll add enough vegetable. Mix really well to combine, cover and steam for 1 minute. This is because pumpkin leaf is a very soft leaf and it doesn't take much time to cook. So 1 minute is enough to cook the vegetables, okay? After adding the first round of vegetable, I felt the vegetable wasn't enough, so I still added extra vegetables. At this point, our vegetable is soft, so our soup is ready. Taste checked, color checked, consistency checked as well. Can you see what our soup looks like at this point? I know you love what you're seeing, right? Please tell me if you're going to try this out. We are actually celebrating the New Yam Festival and I think it's best to pair this deliciousness with pounded yam. Now, let me take you through the process. I will cut up 1 tuber of yam, peel it and cut it into smaller chunks. I transferred it into a bowl and washed it. Next, I'll add it in a pot, add enough water, cover and cook until the yam is soft. This will take about 20 to 25 minutes max. After about 25 minutes, I checked up on the boiling yam and it's soft and ready. So I'll transfer this into a mortar and pound with a pestle since I don't have a food processor. To get a perfect result, please make sure to pound the yam while it's still very hot. I mean direct from the pot. I will pound this until smooth. You can check the texture from time to time to see if it needs water, and if it does, sprinkle just a very little quantity of water and continue pounding until you get your desired result. Can you see our pounded yam is beginning to come together, very soft and silk. At this point, I checked and our pounded yam is perfectly smooth and soft. So I'll scoop it out and serve. This is our final result. Please don't judge my presentation. I was already very tired at this point. I paired my sesame seed soup with the pounded yam and it tasted amazing. I think this is something you should give a trial and I bet you will love it. No capping. My family and I actually finished this food in seconds. I mean, everybody loved it. So guys, thank you so much for watching my sesame seed soup recipe and I'll see you in my next one.